Hi, I'm Martyn. I'm at the FTTH conference in London. I'm joined by Jean-Raoul. He is in charge of Utel's French operation. So, Jean-Raoul, Utel launched Fastlight the end of last year. Can you tell us about the solution? Just remind us.
Yes, Fastlight has been launched at ECOC 2012 in Amsterdam. Fastlight, it's a Utel GPON test solution. Fastlight enabled to automatically detect and isolate fault within GPON networks.
And why would a service provider want that?
Yeah, because with Fastlight, it's because it is centralized test solution, so anyone from the network can quickly isolate the fault, so it will avoid multiple dispatch, so reduce OPEX and accelerate service restoration for the customer. This is key for service and to reduce OPEX. And
I understand it's the first of its kind in the world.
It's the first, yeah. In fact, the key selling point of Fastlight, it enabled to detect the end of the customer line. In fact, it is able to detect the ONT reflection with no components, no mirror, wavelength dependent mirror. While our competitor trying to resolve the same problem needs to add such a component, which costs a fortune, 20 euros at least per customer. So with Utel Fastlight, we are able to achieve this with no extra component. So this is why France Telecom, for example, was very interested by our solution, because at the beginning, when we told them that we are able to do it with no mirror, no one at France Telecom believed us. So they proposed us to do a test in their lab in Brittany, and it was in June last year, and we were able to achieve this with no problem. And we went to a second phase with France Telecom. France Telecom said, yeah, this is fine, you are able to do so. So next time will be to do it automatically. So we went back to France Telecom lab in Lannion in October last year, and we do it. We spend half day to put all the information in the database, to register all the ONTs, and then we spend 1 day to detect automatically the fault that France Telecom produce on their networks. So we were able to achieve this phase. And next phase will be to demonstrate the overall solution, not only the OTDR and the optical test access switch, but also the EMS, element management software, and all the solution. And if the demonstration went well, we'll go to the live trial with France Telecom. And we have to be in mind that before we did this to France Telecom, they did tests with competitor, and they decided to give up because the performance of the OTDR from our competitors was not good enough to go through all the splitters, the two-layer splitters, and not able to detect the end of the line, the ONT reflection, without mirror. And the cost of the mirror killed the business case. With no mirror, it's a new attractive solution for the customer.
And there's a lot of deregulation going on in the French market at the moment, which will mean fibre solutions like this are more and more important. Is that correct?
Yes, this is correct. We have a big pressure in France Telecom, not in France Telecom, in France. The French regulator, ARCEP, and the government put pressure to speed up fibre to the home deployment in France. So in France we have two areas. We have a dense area where France Telecom, the big operator like SFR and Free and WIG, all people are going. And we have called zone moyennement dense. It's a less dense area. It's zone 2, where people are not going without public money, in fact. So there is a tender, and it is a partnership between public and private company. So it's a partnership, in fact, and there is a bid, and many companies bid for this to deploy their own networks on a less dense area, in fact. We are moving on in France for FTTH.
Okay, well, good luck with everything. I hope that the demos go well in France, and thanks for speaking to us.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay.